Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn on and off Duolingo notification. First of all, open up the Duolingo app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots and click on Profile. Inside your profile section, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear button. Here in the settings menu, you'll see the notification tab, click on it and go ahead and select any kind of a notification you want to edit. Now, if you want to turn off reminders, you can simply select the reminders option from the menu and turn off the notification settings inside it. Switch off the notification by tapping on this mobile icon. And if you want to turn off other notification option, then if you see this toggle menu, turn that off as well. If you want to turn off the entire notification from Duolingo, then you can also get back to your settings app from your device, whichever device you are using, and then select notification and status bar or notification and click on app notification and select Duolingo from the app list and make sure that you toggle off the button right next to Duolingo app to switch off the notification from the application. If you ever want to turn on the notification, do the same, come back to this notification tab and switch on the notification toggle menu. You can also switch on and off specific notifications from the Duolingo application. Just come to the notification tab and then find the notifications you want or you don't. For example, if you want a new followers notification, then make sure that you turn off these buttons. If you don't want the notification for new followers, then switch this button off. Just unselect it or just make it disabled and you'll be able to adjust specific notifications in the Duolingo app. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.